In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook events to your Google Calendar for the year 2025. This process is quite simple and doesn't take much time, but will ensure that all your events from Facebook are synced and neatly organized in your Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to the specific Facebook event you want to add to your Google Calendar. You'll want to be on the event page itself to access the necessary options. Once there, look for the three dots, often referred to as the overflow menu, which you should find on the right side of the event details. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu where you'll select the option titled Add to Calendar. This is your gateway to exporting the event. After selecting Add to Calendar, you'll see an option labeled Export. Clicking this will initiate the download of an ICS file to your computer. An ICS file is essentially a digital file format for storing calendar information, making it easy to import into other calendar programs such as Google Calendar. Once the file is downloaded, it's a good practice to rename the file to something recognizable to avoid confusion later. After renaming, save it to a location where you can easily locate it, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for calendar items. Now that you have your ICS file ready, head over to your Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once in Google Calendar, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this will take you into the settings menu. From the settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and select Import and Export. This option allows you to bring in events from external sources, like the ICS file you just downloaded. Next, click on Select File from your computer. This action will open a file dialog where you can locate and choose the ICS file you have prepared. Once you've found and selected your file, you'll need to choose which calendar you'd like to add the event to. Typically, this defaults to your primary calendar, but you can change it if you wish. Choosing the correct calendar ensures that the event is organized where you prefer within Google Calendar. The final step is to click Import. This will upload the event into your chosen calendar. You should now see your Facebook events seamlessly integrated into your Google Calendar, ready for you to keep track of with the rest of your schedule. Remember, anytime you have new events from Facebook, simply repeat this process to maintain an up-to-date calendar. And there you have it. With these steps, your Facebook events will always be just a glance away on your Google Calendar. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.